Hello and welcome back. At eClub, we believe language is more than just grammar and vocabulary. It's about the stories we carry and the lessons they leave behind. That's why we created eClub Stories, a space where we share powerful, meaningful stories that stay with you long after the video ends. And today's story is one of those. It's about 3 simple letters and the wisdom they hold for every stage of life. Let's begin. Once upon a time, a young boy named Rahul received 3 letters from his grandfather before he passed away. The old man said, "Open one letter when you fail. Open the second when you feel lost. And open the third when you succeed." Rahul kept the letters safe. Years later, Rahul failed his first job interview. Feeling crushed, he remembered the letters and opened the first one. It read, "Don't worry, this too shall pass. Try again." Encouraged, Rahul kept working harder. Later in life, when he was unsure about what to do, should he take up a new job? Move to a new city? He opened the second letter. It said, "Listen to your heart. It knows the way." Rahul made bold choices and kept growing. Finally, after years of hard work, Rahul became very successful. Remembering the third letter, he opened it with pride. It read, "Stay humble. Success is a guest. Treat it kindly." Rahul smiled, realizing that true wisdom was not just in success, but in resilience, courage, and humility. The moral of this story is life's most powerful advice often fits inside simple words. Failures, doubts, and success all need the right mindset. If this story moved you, inspired you, or made you pause, stay tuned, because at eClub Stories, there's always another story waiting to be told, and we can't wait to share it with you.